Hi, my name is LaQuinta Jackson. I'm with the Hair Secret in Victorville. I've been a client with TedHair for about 3 years. The hair is very good quality. My clients love it. The customer service is great. Walter, she always assists me, along with Susan. She texts me. We communicate. They give me a lot of good deals. Most, most of all, the hair quality is great. I have no complaints. I love Ted's hair. You guys come on in and yes, see what they have. They have very good quality hair.
Which texture is your favorite?
My favorite texture is body wave. Actually, the Brazilian body wave. My clients love it. But my second one is actually, oh, do they have it over here? No, they don't have it today, but it's like a wet wavy that they have.
Mm-hmm.
My clients love that as well, and it's almost summer, so that's, a good one, coming up. But, yeah, I love Ted's hair.